What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2024 Toyota Prius Prime. This plug-in hybrid continues to be a champion in fuel efficiency, but is it worth the price tag? Let's find out. Budget-friendly efficiency king. First up, let's talk about the price. The 2024 Prius Prime starts at a very reasonable $39,050 for the Basis A trim. That puts it squarely under our $50,000 limit, making it a great option for eco-conscious drivers on a budget. There are higher trims available, the XSE and XSE Premium, but we'll talk about those features later. Fuel economy and electric range. Now, what everyone really wants to know about, the fuel economy. The Prius Prime boasts an incredible electric range of up to 72 kilometers, which means for many everyday commutes, you could potentially drive on pure electric power, saving big on gas. Even when the battery runs out, the Prius Prime still delivers impressive gasoline mileage, with estimates coming in around 4.5 liters per 100 kilometers combined. That's fantastic. Interior design and features. Let's hop inside. The 2024 Prius Prime's interior has a modern and comfortable feel. The Basis A trim comes with standard features like a 7-inch driver display, an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a heated steering wheel. Higher trims offer even more goodies, like a larger touchscreen, a JBL sound system, and ventilated front seats. Overall, the interior provides a spacious and functional environment for you and your passengers. If you're looking for some extra bells and whistles, the XSE and XSE Premium trims offer a bunch of upgrades. These include the larger touchscreen, the JBL sound system, and some niceties like a sunroof and heated rear seats. However, these features do push the price closer to that $50,000 mark. So, the choice really comes down to your priorities and budget. So, is the 2024 Toyota Prius Prime a good buy? Absolutely. It offers exceptional fuel efficiency, a decent electric range, a comfortable interior, and a starting price that won't break the bank. If you're looking for a practical and eco-friendly car that won't cost you a fortune, the Prius Prime is definitely worth considering. Thanks for joining me on this look at the 2024 Toyota Prius Prime. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this car. Would you consider a plug-in hybrid like the Prius Prime? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews.